When someone asks, "What is the nature of humankind?" the usual context in which they ask is whether it is inherent in humans to be good or evil. Moreover, they ask as if good and evil are the only possible determinants of the human condition or state of being. When posed in this context, the question lacks scope and characterizes our nature as an archetype or prototypical concept, which presents humankind as one-dimensional. We are more than good and evil. We're also indifferent and complex, with myriad emotions, thoughts, behaviors, and ideas. When we are born, we do not praise a God for giving us life or pledge lifelong allegiance to a devil for wealth and fame. Such concepts are unknown to us. At birth, we are vulnerable and unable to defend ourselves. If we are to live, we must be in someone else's care. In most cases, it is our mother, our first social contact, and others as well, such as family and friends. Upon examination, we find we are neither inherently good, evil, nor indifferent. We are social, which essentially means we need each other. Be well.